Today we're talking about how to get updates for Windows 7. Mainstream support for Windows 7 ends in a few short weeks, on January 14th, 2020. With Windows 8, 8.1, and 10 being a step down in the opinions of some, and Linux not necessarily being an option depending on what apps you rely on, some users may be left hoping no major vulnerabilities for Windows 7 are exploited in the near future. Then we will need to install 3 updates. Start with KB 4490628. This is a servicing stack update for Windows 7, which is essentially an update for Windows updates. Next, we need to install KB 4474419, which adds SHA-2 code signing support for Windows 7. A system restart may be required here. When the computer reboots, install KB 4531786. This is an additional servicing stack update from December of 2019. First, open Windows Update and check for updates. Your system may be fully updated and have nothing available here, or you may have some updates that have not yet been installed. In this case, we are looking at a clean installation of Windows 7, so there is several hours worth of updating that can be done. Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate all the support. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out these other videos, and have a great day.